Good morning, children of class 3. Today we will be discussing Unit 2, Our Friends. Here mentioned friends, not about your school or neighbor friends. It's about who are helping in our day-to-day life. For example, teacher, traffic police, nurse, doctor, firefighter, lawyer, cobbler, and policeman, a farmer, postman, and etc. They are all also called community helpers. What do you mean by community? It's a group of people who all are working, actually helping in our day-to-day life is called community helpers. Next we will read through the lesson, students. A 7-year-old girl named Samutra. Like you children, one girl is there. Her name is Samutra. Goes to the market to buy some groceries along with her mother Vanilla. She's going with her mother Vanilla to buy some groceries. What do you mean by groceries? Groceries we are using for cooking, right? For example, dal, sugar, salt, and etc. Okay. While walking, they come across so many people walking. So while walking, they are actually crossing so many walking peoples. We'll see Mother Vanilla and Samutra conversations. Mother Vanilla, dear Samutra, keep yourself right and don't go to the center of road. As we go deep into the market, the crowd will increase. Don't run away. So Mother Vanilla telling to her daughter Samutra, dear Samutra, keep yourself right. Don't go to the center of road, okay? As we going to near market, the crowd will increase. So don't run away. Samutra replied, okay ma, what sound is that? Is that a bell? So Samutra is hearing some sound, okay? So asking to her mother, what sound is that? Mother replied, is the sound of a fire engine. I think a fire accident has occurred somewhere. So mother telling like that is the sound of fire engine. So some fire accident has occurred somewhere like that. So Samutra asking, is it? Oh my God. Mother telling, the bell is a warning to the people on the road so that they can give way to the fire engine. Mother telling, the bell sound is the warning for the people on the road. So that they can give the way. Okay. Then Samutra asking, why should one give way to it? Okay. Samutra telling, why we have to give the way for them like that. Mother telling, it's an emergency. It has to go fast and reach the spot to save people and their properties. So, children, we know if the fire accident happens in the sense, what will happen? The full properties or peoples are in the danger zone, right? Actually, they are banning in that spot actually. So, it is an emergency, right? They have to, actually that fire engine or firefighters have to go fast and reach that spot and save the people and also their properties. This is the explanation to mother, to her daughter Samutra. Okay. Next, Samutra asking, how can the vehicle save people? So, Samutra, how could the possible to the vehicle save people like that? Mother replied, I am proud to see that you are curious. The vehicle has many trained firefighters who save people and properties with the help of water, foam, ladder and other fire extinguishing objects and devices. This vehicle is not only used during fire accidents but can be used in other emergencies and disasters too. So mother replying, I am very proud actually. proud to you are very interesting in this. The vehicle has many firefighters. The vehicle have many firefighters who save people and properties. They are well trained firefighters. Also they have properties like water. The pipe actually have big pipes to pour water in the buildings, and foam and ladder and other fire extinguishing objects and devices. Okay, this vehicle not only used for the fire accident, also if anything happen, big disasters also, the fire engine is used. Okay, Samutra, ma, tell me more about the firefighters. It's amazing. Are they not afraid of fire? So she's asking, they don't have any fear of that fire. So children, we have that fear, right? Because we don't know how to handle the fire, but they are well trained. Mother replied that only the firefighters are well trained to carry out their duties. So that is the duty for them. So they are practicing. They have they have well trained for that. Okay, and also they wear protective jackets, and they pump and send water on the affected spot of buildings, and finally they shifted a safer place that people and properties. Okay, Samudra, how do they save the people who are trapped in fire? Samudra asking, if the people is trapped in the sense, catch on fire in the sense, how they will save in the sense. Mother replying, people who burns are sent in the ambulance to the government hospital. So that a victim peoples are, that burn peoples are sent in the ambulance, okay, to the government hospital. This vehicle contains, in that government hospital ambulance vehicle contains all the facilities for first aid. Okay, first aid we'll see in the further class. What is the meaning of first aid? Actually, that is that is the immediate treatment to give the victim peoples. Okay, the victims are admitted in the hospital and given treatment. After first aid, they will admitted in the hospital, and the nurse or doctors given the treatments. That's all for the today class, students. Thank you.